Gold and silver both have tried to recover a little for the day and now are placed at a critical resistance zone. Can we expect a breakout out of the current levels, or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. The GDP data and the PCE prices might try to bring a little volatility to the gold and silver prices before we see the real movement with the PCE price index tomorrow. So how to profit today, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who have watched the first update must have already profited. The subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We'll look into gold followed with silver. If you look at the hourly charts for gold, you will find divide this into two. It has come to the same zone from where the fall was seen yesterday, and yes, it has formed a very good support, taking the support from the trend line here and the lows of the channel. Also, we have seen it consolidating before looking forward to a rise. Now it is very important for gold to now break beyond 2318 2322 zone, which is going to be a prime resistance. And if it breaks beyond this, you can say that the gold is reversing and we can in fact look forward to 2332 and 2340 levels. If you connect the dots here, you will find that gold right now is trading in this bearish channel. The top is almost at around 2318 2322 zone. Thus it is very important for it to break beyond this, because once gold breaks this, we can expect it to move towards this zone, that is 2340 level. So be watchful with the current move. And if you look at the moving averages which are trading with divergence, have started to converge. RSI stochastic is overbought here, while look at the MACD, it has seen extreme divergence. It is looking upwards. RSI is also seen a rise here. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour chart. See two bigger bullish candles. Also, it has formed. See the steps here. It has seen a gradual rise before showing these two stronger candles. Now it is very important for gold to break past by this zone, which will confirm the further rise. And remember, right now what we are seeing here is this, and that also makes this zone as a critical resistance zone, because we can see gold is trading in this bearish channel. The highs hitting the highs, it can also reverse. So this is one possibility we should not ignore. The moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. We have to wait for a crossover in order to confirm a reversal. Stochastic overbought. MACD, look at MACD, the rise, the retracement, and now it has crossed over. So if it continues to move upside, there is going to be stronger rise in gold in the near future. The RSI is also seen a good rise. Coming to 3, likewise on the 3 hour charts, you've seen stronger bullish candles here. Now we have to wait for it to break past by this zone here. Very good resistances are seen. Now, yes, even if it breaks beyond 2318 22 zone, we have to wait a bit for it to break past by 2330 32 zone, beyond which we can certainly look forward to 2340 levels as the next. Now 2340 is one milestone it needs to break, which is going to be critical one for gold. And yes, if it breaks beyond this zone, we are looking forward to a stronger rise here. A stochastic overbought. Look at MACD, just crossed over, couple of candles away. Thus, I will expect it to deliver further more bullish candles from the current levels. What has happened on gold here? Rise, retracement, and see higher lows are seen. And if it rises, it can try to hit this zone. Thus, further bullishness may prevail. RSI rising, coming to 4 hour. Now, see on the 4 hour charts, one interesting fact here is the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, the drop. This time it is retracing from higher levels here. Thus, it suggests that it is under consolidation and higher lows, lower highs are seen, and the possibility for gold to move towards the lower highs exists. So today we have to be careful. If it breaks beyond this zone here at 2318, you can buy. Expect 2322, 2326, 2332, and then 2340 levels as the four resistances, which if it breaks, we will look forward to 2350 levels directly. Possibilities there. See, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. We have seen good bearishness in gold for last 2 to 3 days. Stochastic rising. MACD, if you look at the MACD here, the similar is the observation here. First wave, second wave, higher lows, and if it crosses over, it is going to strike to the top, and this is a squeeze which is forming, which means a rise cannot be denied here. RSI coming out of the oversold zone as well. Coming to the now, look at the daily charts. See, I have been mentioning this. Look at this. The lows are beautifully supported from this channel, from this red line, and today and yesterday again we have seen gold getting the support from these levels, trying to. Now, if you look at the preceding candle, see the day started from around 2320, 2325 zone, and since then we have seen a sharp red candle. So today it has to break past by this zone. Once it breaks these two levels, then we can see there is going to be a stronger rise. How high? We can in fact expect it to move towards this zone, which is far, and the possibility here to move towards this zone cannot be denied, though the moving averages have started to converge and these are proving out to be good resistance. And that is why I say, as long as 2332 levels are not taken, we have to be careful, and beyond 2332 there is going to be stronger rise. The stochastic oversold. MACD is right now bearish on the daily charts, but almost running flat with not much divergence. RSI trying to rise. So looking, I will now recommend you to buy 2318 levels and beyond, which you can expect it to move towards 2322, 2326, and then 2332 levels. Beyond that, 2340 is the next target. And if it breaks beyond this, we can look forward to 2350 levels, the next milestone, beyond which 2360-65 is going to be the strongest resistance here. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 23 1008 levels. If it drops below 2310, 2308, you can say a further drop towards 23 02 2300 can be seen. And once it drops below 2300, or rather I will say 2298, 2302 zone is going to be the first support zone. 2294 is going to be the next, and below 2294 is where we can see slight bearishness here in gold, where we can see a sharper drop. See, if it breaks below 2294, consider that we will look forward to 2287.90 zone, first target zone, and below that 2278.80 the next, below which 2260 is going to get. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at. So see, silver is the one which is showing very modest bullishness so far. We have seen it struggling to break past by 2895, 2905 zone, and this zone is now become very critical for silver to break past by. Once you see it is staying above 2905, you can expect it to move towards 2925, 31st target 29 50 60, the next one. Yes, possibilities there. If you look at, enough consolidation is seen here, and this means 2870 is now become a pivot level for silver. If it breaks below this, you can expect sharper drop. Else, right now it is showing, or right now it is showing modest bullishness. It has to just give a breakout. Stochastic near to top, MACD bullish, RSI is rising, signs of bullishness here on hourly charts. Coming to look at 2-hour charts here, reversal sign, flat bottom, trying to rise here, getting resistance from the 20 period. It has to stay above 20 period moving average, and it has to stay above this zone at 2905. Once it stays above this, you can look forward to 2920, 2930, and in fact 2950, 2960 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here at the bottom. See, look, it is looking upwards and it is divergent, which means there is inherent bullishness in silver. RSI is rising. So yes, signs are bullish here. Coming to 3, on the 3-hour charts also, you can see enough consolidation is seen, and thus this zone at 2870, 2860 is critical for silver to break below. If it stays below this zone, you can say silver is turning bearish and we can look forward to a fall here. Else, as long as it stays above 2870, 60, we have to be careful. We should not be treating silver as. Now look, after forming a good support, it is trying to rise, and now you can see the 20 period sitting at $29 level. So 29.2905 is going to be a prime resistance zone for silver to break beyond. What has happened yesterday, you can see similar is the formation as of now, and I do not want it to give a breakout like this again. But these are markets, anything and everything is possible. Right now it is trading very much bearish, and thus on the upside it is very important to move beyond 2950, 2960 zone in order to confirm a reversal. Else, what has happened yesterday, it can replicate here as well, which means if it draws below 2870, 60 zone, you can expect a sharper fall, which can take the prices towards 2830 or in fact $28 levels. Stochastic is rising here. Look at MACD forming a good wave. It is now crossed over, and this is a good sign for the bulls. So we have to watch out. See, at this point it was not yet convergent, it is not yet crossed over, though also it was at a slightly higher levels. Now we have seen the low, so possibility of a good rise exists here. RSI is rising. Coming to 4, look at 4-hour chart, similar observation here, flat bottom, first bullish candle, second might be expected, and thus these are going to be bigger bullish candles from the current levels. So possibility of a breakout exists. You can stay bullish with the about to 2905 levels, where we can expect further rise, but be careful. As long as 2950, 60 is not taken, prices are not to be treated bullish. It can reverse again and drop again sharp. Stochastic rising, MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bullish cross which can lead to further bullishness in silver. RSI rising from the bottom here. Coming to the now, see if you look at the movement in silver on the daily charts, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. If you also look at this is forming a nice flag formation. The lows here are close to $28 levels. That is the first observation. Second observation here is look at the bearishness here. The bearishness is getting diminished with every move. That is the third observation. Fourth is lower highs are formed. Thus, it is very, very important for silver to break past yesterday's high in order to confirm a reversal and a rise. So, if you see it is staying above 29.05 levels, then you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 29.25, 29.30 first target zone, 29.50. 29.60 the next. If it stays above 29.60, consider that as a reversal, and then we will look forward to 29.75, or rather I will say 29.80, and then $30 levels as the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do not miss to watch the first update. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.